Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos, 164 tuned cars, and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, it's another of my collection of trains or bullet trains guys. I have 3 of these. I did not get the rear. Anyway guys, this is again Shinkansen O or 0 series. It's a JR Tokai bullet train. I have 3 pieces of this guys and has all pullback mechanism engine. Okay. As you can see guys, this two has a spoiler and this one has no spoiler, but it has a pullback engine with 1 gear only guys. So comparing these 3 guys, as you can see, these 2 with spoiler guys, if you see the windows guys, the one from my left is it has a green window guys, and this one guys has a clear window, but they are the same model guys. Maybe they are not the same year release guys, because of this one, as you can see, it has a bullet train wheels. Compare it to this guys, it has only 5 spokes gray standard wheels. In front guys, they are the same all the way. And this one guys on my right has a detailed printed wiper. Compared to this, it has only N1 also has printed wiper guys on the left side of the windshield. Okay, but this one guys has 2. Okay, and then guys, what else? This one has this what they call this, I cannot read it guys. It's a Japanese character and it has number 12 on it. This one has no. And at the back guys, it says 0 Japanese alphabet or Japanese characters and 1 at the bottom. So they are the same at the bottom guys, and it's made in China. Oh, inside guys, it has dark all blue inside compared to this one, but they are the same model guys. It's a 0 series. Oh, in the roof guys, they have a slight difference. As you can see, the middle design, this one is only plain guys. Okay, but that's it guys. And this one guys has this design on the middle but no spoiler. Okay, and it has 21-1. I think this is the cabin number guys. Again guys, I have 3 of these. It's a Shinkansen 0 series JR Tokai train, standard size Choro, and in very good condition guys. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.